Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Soren Paape, one of the owners of Smile Now Dental Group. When spring rolls around, most of us start thinking about cleaning out our garage, organizing our closets, and getting the house back in shape. But here's the question you might be asking. Does my smile need a little spring maintenance too? If you have dental implants, especially full arch dental implants, maintenance isn't optional, it's essential. Today I'm going to talk about why implants still need professional cleanings, what happens if you skip maintenance, and how to know if it's time for a checkup. Let's get into it. A lot of patients assume that because implants aren't natural teeth, they don't need the same level of care. It's true, implants don't get cavities, but the bone and gum tissue around them are very real and very alive. And just like natural teeth, implants can develop plaque buildup, inflammation, gum irritation, bone loss, and something called peri-implantitis, which is basically gum disease around implants. If left untreated, that can lead to implant failure, and that's something we absolutely want to avoid. Here's what we see when patients fall behind on implant care. Food debris builds up around the bridge, gums can become red or swollen, bleeding when brushing, bad breath that doesn't go away, gradual bone loss around the implants, and the tricky part, a lot of this happens slowly. You might not feel pain until the problem is more advanced. That's why routine maintenance appointments are so important, even when everything else feels fine. For most implant patients, we recommend every 4 to 6 months getting a professional implant cleaning, annual x-rays to monitor bone levels, bite checks and adjustments as needed. If you've had gum disease in the past, smoke, or have certain medical conditions like diabetes, we might recommend maintenance every 3 to 4 months instead. It's not a one-size-fits-all. It's based on the individual risk and history. This isn't just a quick polish and send you home appointment. When you come in for implant maintenance at Smile Now, we're going to use specialized instruments that won't scratch the zirconia or titanium. We're going to clean thoroughly around and under your prosthetic. We're going to check the stability of your implants and evaluate your gum health. We're going to check your bite and wear patterns and take any updated x-rays as needed. We're protecting your long-term investment. Professional cleanings are critical, and what you do at home matters just as much. Here's your spring checklist. Make sure to brush twice a day. Make sure to use a water flosser daily. Make sure to rinse with non-alcohol mouthwash. Check for redness, swelling, or tenderness, and call us if anything feels off. If you're not sure if you're cleaning correctly, bring your tools to your appointment and we're going to walk you through it. Spring is about fresh starts. If it's been a while since your last cleaning, this is your reminder. You invested in your smile, let's protect it. Maintenance isn't about fixing problems, it's about preventing them. And when you stay on top of it, your implants can last 15, 20, and even 25 years or more. If it's been more than 6 months since your last implant maintenance visit, or you're not sure where you stand, let's get you scheduled. Make sure to click the link in the description to book your implant cleaning or free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. We'll make sure everything looks healthy, stable, and set up for long-term success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more helpful tips on protecting your smile. See you next video.